Hello and welcome to Jigsaw Shed. Now my wife asked me to make her a pen pot, and I've got this piece of cherry that was cut down in 2017. It's just been lying in the workshop, and I've not known what to do with it as it's got this massive crack down the side. But I decided I'll use it for this and maybe try and make a few custom bow ties to go in there, and hopefully that will look nice when it's turned. But anyway, it's an experiment for me, and I hope you enjoy. Well, there you go, a pen pot made from a scrap piece of cherry. Can't say I enjoyed every aspect of this, but it was definitely a joy doing it on this lathe rather than the old one. But yeah, I guess I like the walnut shape, how they came. But once I started carving it into the cherry, I should have leveled the surface first to draw the lines on. Because as I carving it out, the wood was hard and I missed the lines with the curve, because of the curve. And I had to fill it with the glue, which could have been a bit lighter with the mica powders there. And then also this one should have moved to maybe a little bit higher. But overall, I've shown it to my wife and she likes it, so I guess that's all that matters. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet. And I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching.